I'm on my way to Marietta for the 2022 Troy Lee Designs Redbull GasGas race team introduction, and I get to fly drones there. So I'm excited this morning. So I'll see you there. Woo! I think I found the place. So I just got here and I was supposed to be here at 1. I got here half hour early and they're already fucking riding. So I don't know if I should be filming this stuff or not, but we'll see and see. So I'm gonna go talk to the guys right now and see what they want me to do. That wasn't bad. So I just flew my first pack. It wasn't too bad. I dropped in through the Redbull sign and it wasn't a good one. So I'm gonna go over there so I definitely don't lose signal, because from where I'm at, there's a big tractor in my way, right where I get the lowest to the ground. So I'm gonna go over there and shoot it. So maybe you'll see this clip right now, or maybe you won't. I don't know.
The Walking Dead, the shaking heads all around you.
Doing this FPV stuff. So I got to talk to the guys. They just went to pick up lunch. In and out, getting in and out. I can't even see my face. We're getting in and out, and so I need to talk to them and see exactly. I think I might have already got all the shots, so from now it might just be playing around. Oh dude, there's an alligator in the water. There's an alligator in there. See that? So we're all here patiently waiting I guess the riders are gonna fly in on a helicopter and then land, I guess, right over here, and then hop on bikes and do some laps, I guess. I'm not quite sure. There's a dude doing laps right now. Pretty cool.
There's a motorcycle.
There's a motorcycle out
going
there.
around in circles. Tells me it has begun.
Yeah, things are starting off here, Daniel. We are here at the 2022 GasGas Team Intro. One of the most riders of all time, Ryan Sipes, out there warming those round tires in this circular flat track. One of his specific skills.
Helicopter has.
I said that.
Ryan Sipes has shown us how fast he can ride this track alone. I think it's time for him to have a little competition. And the competition is arriving right now.
And by a little competition, he means doing the baddest guys on 2 wheels today.
Does anybody have any idea who's in that helicopter? I'll give you a hint. It's all the GasGas riders. Justin Barcia, Michael Bozeman, and Pierce Brown have arrived at the party, and Ryan Sipes' days of being the fastest are about to be over. Here we go.
And what more do you expect from Team GasGas than showing up in a helicopter?
And hopping on some flat track bikes. And if you pay close attention, one of them might sound a little different than the rest. It's got a number 51 on it.
It's going to sound like the main event band singing beautiful music, two-stroke music though. Barcia's going to be ring, ting, ting, tinging on the two-stroke out there trying to keep up with Ryan Sipes.
They knew with this track it'd be smart to put him on a two-stroke so he can't over-rev the bike. Sorry, JB, you know it. Right
So
now,
as you can see, the helicopter
we need
just
a little
landed,
danger
and Barcia and the rest of the team just got out, and now they're gonna blast
Danger zone
some
is
flat
Mr.
track.
Sipes himself, because he knows that his teammates are picking this sport up pretty quick. So I just saw earlier today, Barcia's showing the wheel. So we got Moseman out there chasing after Sipes. Brown's out there ripping, and the man himself on the two-stroke. Barcia's out there to ring, ping, ping around this track. Starting in the back of the pack, we'll see how much he can catch up here. As all 4 riders are now lapping at near full speed. They'll get warmed up, get the tires up, to try and lower their flat time.
All right, everybody, won't we all wave to the helicopter? Thanks for coming. Thanks for bringing us our boys. Thank you.
Well, that was fun. First off, I want to thank Mike Vicente from Senna. Thanks for getting me the gig. I really appreciate it. I also want to thank Troy Lee Designs GasGas Redbull team for letting me come out and spin some laps with them. My drone is full of dirt, and you know when your drone is full of dirt, you had a good day. So if you liked the video, please comment, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I will see you on the next one.